Hello everyone, we are a group from exchange student from Indonesia. We are here to present a topic that is very important for both landlords and tenant. What if the tenant doesn't pay rent for 2 months? In this video, we will show you the might happen, what legal step can be taken, and how both sides can find a solution. Let's begin.
Wait, it's already 8 months, but John last paid in the 6th month. He used to be so polite, paid on time, but now, totally silence. The contract clearly says, rent is due at the beginning of the month. Hello, Mr. Tan. Can you try reaching John?
I have been trying that kind of things, but Mr. John didn't contact me right now. Perhaps he go back to Indonesia.
This is very serious. I need to know my rights.
Okay, I will handle this case. I'll be just following that through case. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, what's your problem? So my tenant, John has not paid rent for 2 months and I can reach him. So this is my financial statement. Is that it? I see. The contract says I must be paid money and missing payment is a breach. Good. You have to document that. Okay. He was always on time before, but I don't know what happened to him. Understandable. Under the Contract Act 1950, if there's a breach, you have the right to end the contract and claim your losses. So, can I affect him? Not immediately. First, you must send a notice of demand, giving him 2 days to pay or leave. If he doesn't respond, you can apply for a writ of possession through the court. And if he already left Malaysia, it doesn't matter. The Malaysian law applies because the contract and property are here. You'll still be able to recover the unit legally. Can you help me to prepare this notice? Of course, I'll draft it now. Thank you. I just want this handled properly. You're doing the right thing, staying calm and following the legal process.
Thank you for your assistance.
It's already like April and I still not get it the scholarship money. I have 3 times email but nothing. Huh? Legal notification from Suraya Law Firm?
Hey, John! What's wrong, John?
I just got the email from landlord's lawyer. I have no paid rent in 2 months. Ma, please, listen me. I thought I could catch up. My scholarship arrived, but now they want to evict me.
Why you didn't say anything? You have been isolating yourself for weeks.
I was ashamed, Hima. Madam Aisha has always been kind and I didn't want to disappoint her.
Ignoring that, You need to talk to her or at least legal advice. Or do you want me to call someone?
I will call Pak Budi. He is my lawyer back then in Indonesia. It could be the good idea.
Halo John, kamu kenapa? Kok kayaknya muka kamu baru banyak pikiran gitu?
Pak, saya menerima surat hukum dari pengacara Madam Aisyah di Malaysia karena saya belum membayar sewa selama 2 bulan. Kemudian beasiswa saya juga tertunda dan sekarang saya takut saya akan diusir atau bahkan dituntut oleh Madam Aisyah.
Okay, I understand. First, don't be panic. You signed a tenancy agreement in Malaysia, right?
Yes, it was a standard contract with monthly rent, a security deposit, and rules about payment.
Okay, since the agreement was signed and enforced in Malaysia, Malaysian contract law applies, specifically under the Contracts Act 1950. But don't worry, this is not a criminal, it's a civil matter. The worst case is eviction or loss of your deposit, you won't be arrested.
So, what should I do?
You can contact the landlord and be honest. If you are silent, it only strengthens their legal case. In Indonesia, we tend to emphasize good faith and sometimes the court gives time to fix issue. But in Malaysia, it's more procedural. You need to propose a meeting with the landlord and her lawyer. If you want, I can represent you during the mediation, even from here via video call. But if you want me to accompany you in Malaysia, you can call me.
Really, Pak? That would mean a lot. I don't want to lose everything.
Okay, then let's do it the right way. I will draft a brief explanation of your situation and help you respond to the notice. We will ask for a meeting and try to resolve this amicably.
Thank you, Pak Budi. I just need someone to guiding me.
Okay, I will see you later.
Yeah, I will fix this problem.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, let's sit together. Okay, fine. Now we have met together, and yeah, let's hear from both sides. Come, John, you can start.
Firstly, I'm really sorry for Madam Aisyah, and I was not trying to run away. I was like confused and ashamed to you, and I don't know what to do when I cannot pay the rent.
We understand, but John should have communicated earlier. Silence only made bad things worse.
Correct. From the landlord perspective, 2 months without payment and no communication is a serious breach. John, I would have understood if you had just explained, but I also have financial obligation to meet.
On John's behalf, we sincerely apologize. Moving forward, we propose that John vacate the premise within 5 days and allow Madam Aisyah to use the deposit to cover the outstanding rent. And this is the agreement that we briefly made that you can see.
That's acceptable. I'll finalize it now for signature.
Okay, it's good. We're setting this peacefully. No need for court drama, right?
Thank you, Madam Aisyah. Thank you, everyone. And I really learned from this tragedy.
Remember, dignity is in facing problems, not running from them. Okay?
Okay.
The law encourages resolution. Litigation should always be the last resort. I hope you find a better situation, John. Good luck with your studies.
Thank you, Madam Aisha. And I really appreciate that. Thank you, Obi.
Alright, we are all set. Let's move forward positively. Okay. Good luck, John.
Okay, let's break down the legal lesson from this story. The first, under Malaysian law, Contract Act 1950 in Section 73, when a contract is breached, the non-breaching party has the right to terminate the contract. So specific relief in Act 1950, property owners can apply to the court for eviction if tenant refuse to vacate after default. Important points for tenancy agreement. First is clearly state payment due dates. So include clauses for late payment penalties. Last is specify the owner's right in the event of default. Under Indonesian law for comparison, we have Civil Code Article 15 and 48 regulates lease agreement. So in Article 30 and 38, a valid contract binds the parties like law. So we have Supreme Court ruling. A tenant may be evicted for negligence or non-payment if a deposit was paid. Okay, wherever you are, Malaysia, Indonesia, or elsewhere, understanding your contract is essential. Always communicate openly and quickly when problems arise.